Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. Let's continue our discussion about operation and functions. So this time, subtraction naman ang isosolve natin. So for subtraction, we have quantity f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So we simply subtract the two functions. Okay? So copy muna natin to guys. Mag-parenthesis tayo. Quantity f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So we have two functions na ipagsusubtract natin, and then the next process ay ipa-plug in lang natin, or we simply substitute yung f of x and then the g of x. So for f of x, we have 5x minus 2 over 3. And then minus, of course, for the g of x, guys. So this is negative. Ito yun, guys. So we have negative 7x plus 3 over 4. Kaya, dapat meron siyang parenthesis. Okay? Kasi negative to. And then, simplify natin to, guys. So, copy lang muna natin to, guys. 5x minus 2 over 3. And then, negative times negative. So, magiging positive 7x. And then, negative times positive 3 is negative 3 over 4. Okay? And then, paano naman tayo mag-add ng ganito? Okay, kunin natin yung LCD. So, ang LCD ng 3 at ng 4 ay 12, right? So, copy natin yan, guys. 12 divided by 3 ay 4. Multiply dito sa numerator times 5x minus 2. And then, plus 12 divided by 4, 3, right? Times dito, 7x minus 3. So, parang katulad lang din sa addition, no? Kukunin muna natin yung LCD. And then, ang gagawin natin dito, guys, ay simplify natin yan. So, 4 times 5x, 20x. 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8. So, 3 times 7x, that is equal to 21x. 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9. Okay? And then, i-copy natin yung denominator natin, which is 12. So, do not forget. Okay, so dito guys, combine natin yung mga like terms. Okay? So, we have negative 20x plus 21x. So, the answer is 41x. Negative 8 plus negative 9. That is equal to negative 17 over 12. So, that's the answer. Okay? So, kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, paki-like and share. Thank you for watching.